Hey you guys, it's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. What's up guys? Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I have been getting requests for another one of these, and so when I got a YouTube payout, I was able to order some things so that I could make this video for you all. I know a lot of my designer videos get requested for more gate items. I am buying these things with my own money, and because I had some of those home repairs, I just didn't have the funds to go ahead and get some stuff. But like I said, when I got a YouTube payout, I was like, all right, let me re-put that money back in. So now today I have for you a couple of designer accessories that are all under $25 via the gate. So I do have 5 items in total here, which allowed me to get everything for under $100. That's just how you have to do it, you know? And some of these are really nice. So I'm very excited to show them for you. Just to start out, I will have all of these items linked in my snip feed link in my description box. So if you want to check any of them out, you can go to that link and you'll see like a little picture or a little description. You can click on that, it'll take you right to it. You can look at that item or other items and shop around. However you want to do it, it's your gate. Now, unlike a lot of my Sunday baggage videos, again, this is the gates and these are all under $25. So you're not going to get like all of the luxurious packaging that like I kind of show in some of my other videos, but these are really nice items for under 25 bucks. And I do have the prices of each, so we'll go through them one by one. I'm going to start off with a piece of jewelry that I actually really do kind of like. I did not do a ton of research when I looked at these things to see if there are anything original about them or anything like that. I just saw what I liked and then I picked it and was like, here you guys go. So the first item that I have is a little Chanel necklace. I got it in a sterling silver, stainless steel color or whatnot. I do believe that it came in gold, but I've already worn this already, but I just wanted to show you that this is the packaging it does come in. It's like a little plastic bag with a little card. It's not like any kind of licensed official boxing or anything like that, but this necklace is retailing for $16.62, and I do think it is rather pretty. So this is kind of like, it's adjustable, so you can either wear it like choker length or a little bit longer. I believe it's like 18 inches, and then you do have like kind of the 2-inch extender here. But this is just a really cute little Chanel logo necklace. It has the little double C's and then these little kind of rhinestones, Swarovski, whatever crystals in between. And it does come down to a bigger crystal, and then it does come to a hanging charm of the logo. And I really do think that this is actually pretty beautiful for under 20 bucks. I'm not going to put it on for you because the shirt that I have on isn't really kind of conducive of showing it off, but it is really pretty. It's very sparkly, and it's just a nice little subtle touch of something if you just wanted to wear kind of like a plain outfit and just have this as your stunner piece. So actually pretty happy with this one. I like it a lot. I think it's really pretty and dainty and has a lot of sparkle, and again, with just the subtle touch of the logo, I think this one is really nice. All right, the next item did come in a box, and yes, it's a Saint Laurent piece. If you don't know, I'm kind of a YSL stan right now, and I did get a couple YSL bags here in the past couple of months. So I wanted to order a wallet. I don't know if I'm like totally in love with this, but I did want to give it a chance. This was only $18.36, and so you do get a box. It is kind of beat up because this box only came in a mailer for shipping purposes. But when you open it up, you do get this really pretty, I love these large wallets because it allows me to hold all of my cards. And I have a lot of them. But also you can lay cash in here and stick receipts. So here is the chevron pattern. This is kind of like a grained leather, and this is a gold kind of motif with the gold zipper. So that is what it's looking like. I'm not a big fan of this gold, but it does work. I think it still kind of reads classy, and I do like it. I wish it would have came in silver or matte black, but this was the option that we had. So if you open it up, here you go. You've got look at all those card pockets. I love seeing that. It is branded on the inside with just a stamp in that kind of brassy gold color. It does have a zipper coin purse, which I love also in these types of wallets. So it does have a lot of room in there to stick a whole bunch of stuff. I think it is really cute for under $20. I mean, you can't expect like the highest grade here, but I do think for 18 bucks, this is actually like really nice. And I do appreciate the gift box. I mean, I'm definitely not gonna like keep it or anything, but I do think for presentation purposes, when I'm opening it, it's kind of a nice touch. The next item I have not actually opened. It did come in a mailer just like this. And then when you open it up, it is in a plastic bag, but this is a Chanel scarf. I know in my last gate accessory video, a lot of people were commenting on where the Dior scarf was in my snip feed link. I'm so sorry that seller does not have that item anymore. But you could click on the link for this one and maybe shop around, and they have something that is kind of closer to that. But this is a really nice, oh God, it's really, really, really soft. This was only $20.96. They had a couple colorways in this scarf. I did end up getting the gray and pink kind of ombre, and that's also like with a black. This is, I haven't opened this yet, so this is like really exciting. So this is like a pashmina / shawl. And I'm gonna kind of get away, but here is the logo, and then it does have the icon logo. Oh, I think I see some. Yeah, there's some threads in there. That's okay, we just picked those bitches off. Here is the entire thing. It goes from like a beigey gray to like a pink with the Chanel logo on the end. It does have the tassels. And then on the back, it is reversible. So you get the pink Chanel on this side with the gray logo in the middle, and then a gray Chanel on this side. So this is actually pretty freaking nice. It's very kind of large and it's very heavy. So this would be a really good item to have in the winter time. This is just very chic. I like this one a lot because it's functional, but you can also wear it as like a fashion kind of piece as well. And I do love the gray, black, and pink detail. So any way that you want to wear this, it's kind of just like, yeah, dude, I like this one. Very happy with that. I will need to kind of get some of these threads off of here. I don't see a tag on here like the Dior one in my last video, but that's okay. This is very, very nice. I think for under 20 bucks, can't beat it. All right, the next item, of course, you know me. If you know, you know, it's a pair of sunglasses. And also, if you know, it's a pair of Prada sunglasses. So Prada does make a variety of sunglasses shapes. Some of them I'm not really into, and some of them I'm like, oh, I want to try. This is kind of like a cross between the very popular small rectangular one, and then they have those diamond big round ones. I can't remember the name of them, but anyway, these ones are kind of like a hybrid, so I thought that I would try them. I do like that it comes in a box. I did pay extra for the box. So I ended up spending $20.99 for this pair. I know you can get them cheaper if you don't want the box and the case that's inside. So that's up to you. I wanted the experience of having the box. You open it up and it does come with the little Prada branded sunglasses case. Oh, and also it does come with like all of the extras. So you have the tag, the card, and then a little lens cleaner, which I think is really nice. Again, I only paid probably another extra 10 bucks to have all of these things. So I kind of recommend that if you're looking for like the experience of getting something and opening it rather than just a pack. It's nice to have like the actual components of the boxing and all that. So if you open this up, I did unwrap these. These were in a plastic sleeve with like some protective film on it, but here are the glasses. They are actually pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. At first I was like, this shape is like maybe a little bit much for me, but my husband was like, no, they're kind of you. So here on the side, you do get the gold kind of Prada logo. And then on the inside, it does say Prada, made in Italy here. So let's put these babies on. Okay, yeah. I mean, I could definitely be into these. I actually kind of like these ones a lot. Like, I wish that I could get a better angle without the ring light, but yeah, these, I love the fade from black to purple. There were other options. You could get like a complete black lens, or they had different frame colors. But you know me, obviously. But yeah, I really like these ones. These ones are really nice. So for like 20 bucks, which is kind of what you would spend if you went to like a TJ Maxx or something, I mean, I think this is like a pretty good deal. And yeah, I will definitely be wearing these ones. Also kind of very lightweight. They are like plastic construction, but I love that because I'm hard on my sunglasses. I just throw them in my bag and I kind of need them to not be very breakable. And these ones do seem pretty sturdy for being plastic. And again, with the case and everything, it's just like a nice little luxurious experience. So yeah, this was a good one. The last item is a belt, and it is a Hermes belt, and it is not the Kelly clip that is very popular. I actually went for something like a little bit different. This is a black thin slim belt, and it has the H logo on the buckle. Now this is another one that you could get in like a ton of variations. They have different colors of the leather strap and they have different colors of the buckle, but I did want black and silver, obviously. But it's just like a little nub right here that when you feed the belt through, you can hook that nub into the hole of the size of your choice. These do run in centimeter size, so it's good if you can measure your waist or wherever you're going to wear the belt and then convert that into centimeters, and then you know which one that you can buy. I believe I bought 105 for myself, but I have worn this a few times. I actually wore it to work, and then I wore it when we went to New York for the Christmas thing. And this is actually really cute because it goes really well with like a black top, some jeans, and then just this is the accessory. I like this one a lot. It's super classy. It's just like a hint of a logo. It's not all over there. And I just, you know, for $20, actually I paid $17.78 for this. So I really, really like this one. I think that, you know, this is definitely going to be a staple accessory in my wardrobe. So there you have it, guys. Finally did another Gate accessory video for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, I'm gonna have links to all of these things in my snip feed link if you wanna check them out or learn more about them. You can click on that link, it'll take you directly to that item, and then you can shop from there. I'm also going to link my Gate playlist in the description box. I also have a Sunday baggage playlist if you're looking for something that's a little more upscale than the Gate. You can check both of those out in the description box. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment down below on if you thought any of these items were really good for under $25, that would be awesome. And if you could subscribe to follow all of these antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you guys so, so much. I will see you on the next one.